minus A index 4, minus A index 4, minus A index 4, all enclosed in a bracket, index 7 over A index 3 multiplied by what? Minus A enclosed in a bracket, index 4. Okay, now here, now if a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, so this is third law, don't forget. If a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, the law says that it should multiply the two indices. Okay, multiply the two indices. So here we have that this should be equal to the negative sign. It will be what? Unaffected. You are only concerned with what? The indices. So we multiply what? The law holds these two what? Indices. If a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, that the two indices 4 and 7 are multiplied together. So we have minus A index 4 by what? 4 times what? 7. You see, over A index 3. A index 3 multiplied by minus multiplied by, okay, let's say minus A index. Now I told you that every number is indexed towards 1. Now if you have y is indexed towards 1, indexed 1. The same thing as what? Y is equal to what? Y index 1. X is equal to what? X index 1. Same thing. Now, so it means that A here is indexed to what? 1. So we are going to have what? That minus A index, minus A in bracket index 4 is same thing as minus A index 1 index 4. So this expression is same thing as what? This expression is same thing as what? This. So that we can now what? Multiply the power. That we can now what? Multiply the power if a base is indexed in a bracket and indexed outside a bracket, the two indices are what? Multiplied. Okay. So at this junction, what we do here is 1 times what? 4. I want to have minus A index what? 4. Minus A index 4. Here is going to be equal to our minus sign will be there, minus A index. We'll now multiply the two indices 4 and what? 7. 4 times 7 will give us what? 4 times 7 will give us 28. So we want to have what? 28. A index 28. A index 28. A index 28 over. Now, multiplication law says that if two equal or same multiplying bases are indexed, take one of the base and add what? The indices. That if two equal or same multiplying bases are indexed, if two equal or same multiplying bases are indexed, that take one of the base and multiply the what? Indices. So here we want to apply what? The multiplication law here. The two bases are what? They are what? The same. So we are going to what? Add what? The indices. Taking one base. Take one of the base. We take one of the base. Now, before we take one of the base, we have to know that the sign here is so negative. So it was carry what the negative sign. We have minus a index. Take one of the base a. The two bases are what added from what multiplication law. So you have 3 a index 3 plus 4. So this will give us that is equal to minus divided by what minus. Minus cancel minus. The minus has what gone. You see, minus has what cancelled what minus. So they have negative sign. This problem, negative sign should leave us. So they have anything to do with negative sign. We are left with what a index 28 over what a index 3 plus what 4. We have a index 28 over what a index 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 give us what? 3 plus 4 will give us what? 7. 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So this is 4 times. This is 4 times what? 7. 4 times 7 is 28. This is 3 plus what? 4. 3 plus 4 will give us what? 3 plus 4 will give us what? 7. So here we are going to have that it is equal to, since the two dividing bases are the same, you subtract the indices. Don't forget that if two equal or same dividing bases, are indexed from division law, if two equal or same dividing bases are indexed, if two equal they are equal, or same dividing bases are indexed, take one of the base and subtract the word indices. So this, when we will take one of the base is the same, they will now subtract the indices. 28 minus what? 7. So this will give us equal to 28 minus what? 7 will give us what? 21. And we have a index 21. This is our answer. Now, what you have to note in this problem, we used what? 3 laws in this problem. The first law, we use the first law, which is what? We use what? The third law. We use the third law first. We now use what? The second law. We now use what? The third. We use what? The first law. So we use what? The 3 basic law in this what? Problem. You see, that is why it is good to what? Know the 3 basic laws of indices very well in case of what? Application. So here we have to note here that my negative sign, once I take the 2 bases, I take what? The negative sign. The negative sign cancel out negative sign. That's why that is where what? Negative sign left us. Then we now added from what? Multiplication law. Then we now what? Multiply by what? Double index what? By what? Double index law. Okay, and then this is what? Here we arrived at what? Our answer. So very simple. You can try many questions as you can.